Welcome back to NextGenTech, where we dive into the latest and greatest in tech. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button to stay on top of all things technology. Today, we're zooming in on the GoPro Hero 12 Black, a powerhouse in the world of action cameras. Ready to find out if it's the right fit for you? Let's get into the top 5 things you need to know before making the leap. First off, let's talk about the price tag. The Hero 12 Black comes in at $399. No GoPro subscription needed. But, if you are a subscriber, you get a nice discount, bringing it down to $299 on your next renewal. That's a sweet deal for those already in the GoPro ecosystem. Now, onto battery life, a crucial factor for any adventurer. The Hero 12 has made significant strides here, especially in high-res modes like 5K, nearly doubling its longevity. It uses the Enduro battery, compatible with models Hero 9 through 11, so you can interchange them as needed. However, it's worth noting that charging times are a bit on the slower side compared to some competitors. The third thing to note is the introduction of the Max Lens Mod 2.0. This bad boy increases your field of view up to 177 degrees in 4K, giving you some of the most immersive and wide-ranging shots possible with an action camera. It's a game changer for capturing breathtaking landscapes or action-packed scenes. Connectivity gets a boost with the ability to pair Bluetooth audio devices directly to your GoPro. This means you can use headphones or speakers for audio input and even voice commands, making it more versatile than ever. Plus, the Hero 12 allows for multiple Bluetooth connections at once, so you're never limited in how you control or enhance your camera. Last but certainly not least, we've got HyperSmooth 6.0, taking video stabilization to new levels. Whether you're biking down rugged trails or capturing serene landscapes, your footage remains stable and smooth. And while the Hero 12's low-light performance mirrors its predecessor, the new HDR video mode improves your shots in challenging lighting conditions, balancing shadows and highlights like a pro. So, there you have it, the top 5 things to know about the GoPro Hero 12 Black. Whether you're capturing life's high-speed adventures or the serene beauty of nature, the Hero 12 is designed to elevate your storytelling. Don't forget to subscribe to NextGenTech for more tech insights and reviews. Like, share, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring, keep creating, and keep pushing the limits of what's possible.